Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Evening. Cicadas mostly make noise in the evening around dusk, but will also buzz at you if you pick one up. They will make sound when they are disturbed, Tucker says. In general, the sounds you hear from periodical cicadas are a mating call.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cicadas have sound organs called tymbals, which have a series of ribs that can buckle onto one another when the cicada flexes its muscles. The buckling creates a clicking noise, and the combined effect of these clicks is the buzzing sound cicadas make.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.